Yo, what up? Trader Gliz back at it. And today I'm going to get into some of the top stocks I'm watching this week. And I am actually starting on Monday. I'm locking in. I haven't been as consistent, but I'm locking in. I'm starting my 1K to 10K challenge that hopefully I can complete by the end of summer. So I created a new account. I I'm depositing $1,000 into it, and the way we're gonna make our way up is we're gonna trade 50% of the account, but we're gonna risk, or yeah, each trade's gonna be 50% of the account, but I'm gonna risk 10% of it. So that means if I start off with $1,000, which I am, I'm gonna do a $500 trade, and or I'm gonna like put $500 into an options trade, and then set a stop loss at 20%. Because if I lose that 20%, I lose $100, and that's 10% of my account. So that's what I'm willing to risk. Um, but yeah, so I'm gonna go over. I'm gonna do one trade at a time, and I'm going over now the stocks I'm trading, and then before I actually get into before I actually like buy the trades or buy the contracts, I'll post like a short or something. Low key, I might not, but maybe I'll post. I think you can like post like a message on YouTube, but yeah, maybe I'll do like a little short. I'll do a short. And so yeah, so let's get into it. So first, taking a look at the Nasdaq, um, we broke above this little zone here, but then we recently broke down under this trend line. We broke below it, and then retested this trend line, rejected off of it. But now we're finding some support on this moving average and this trend line at the 21,500-ish level. We bounced off of that, and it looks like we're pulling back to that again. So I think I'm bullish on it this week. I do think that we will bounce off of this and then maybe break through this little trend line and push back up towards this level up here. But I will be watching this closely, and then looking at the ES, same type of thing. Kind of like that. Yeah, broke down. There's more room. Honestly, Monday might be a bear. Like we might be red on Monday, but that is honestly good for some of the positions I'm watching, and I'll show you shortly why. But I do think we pull down and retest this little level here. But yeah, all right. So first stock, Lockheed Martin. I did talk about this uh, not too long in the last video. I talked about this. We got this little pattern here, but I'm looking for this $500 level. And once we like break above, once I see another strong candle like this, which could happen tomorrow. The market was bearish on Friday, but Lockheed Martin stayed green in a red market, which was a good sign. And there is in volume increasing, so that's a good sign. Um, so yeah, I'm targeting this $500 or 510, but I'll probably shave some at 500 and take some profits. But that's Lockheed Martin. Then Keurig Dr Pepper, ticker KDP. I'm looking for a break above this trend line. We have this little wedge pattern. I'm looking for a break above, and then I'm targeting 34.50. Uh, So yeah, that's pretty much all I'm looking for there. Just a break above this. If we come back down, which we likely could, because we're at this resistance here, and we did reject off of it, off of this trend line and this trend line, as we did multiple times, and we use it as support back here. But I could see it making a move like this, like coming back down, and then breaking out. But I wouldn't enter if it breaks out above here. I wouldn't enter until we get a break of this level, and then I would enter targeting this like 4-ish% move back up to 34.50. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at for KDP, Keurig Dr. Pepper. Then we got Aflac. Watching this super clean wedge pattern. Just watching for a break above. This is the first price target, 105.40. There's a mini gap, not too big of a gap that hasn't been filled. but then next price target would be 110. So just watching that for a break of this little wedge, and that's pretty much it. We are at like a pretty good support level right now. But I think, like the other stocks, like I mentioned with the Nasdaq and the SPY or the ES, I think we could come down a little bit, retest this major support level on this stock, and then break out. So I'll be definitely watching that. And then Celsius, I talked about this in the last video. This might be my favorite pattern, and I'm still super bullish on it. It did go up, but it has pulled back. So like the contracts that I was in, I pretty much broke even on, and I did sell them, but I'm watching this heavily right now. This is like I love this pattern. So looking at the weekly chart, this is a big level for Celsius, and this level in between, which we're currently trading in now, as we can see, we like to push through this level very, very quickly. Um, there's not a lot of volume in this level. It's just kind of like a little buffer zone, or like it's just like we trade in it so for such a little amount of time before going into these other blocks with lots more liquidity. But I am so I do think we will push up to this $50 level, and then if we go lower on like the daily chart, we have this resistance level right here that we rejected off twice. Um, it looks better if we go on the 2-year chart or 2-hour chart. So yeah, we rejected off this twice, 3 times actually. We used it as a support before pushing higher, and now we're pulling back, and we have this super clean little falling or descending channel, whatever it's called. Um, and I do think, like the other stocks, we open, I don't know, maybe like around here, push down, retest this level, this $40 level before we break out of this channel and then shoot up. Definitely see 44 again, but I do think this one will see 50 as well. So Celsius is probably my favorite play, and I'm watching this one the closest, but I am watching them all, obviously, but I have the most faith in that one. Next stock, Uber. We're approaching a big level at 81.60-ish. We use it as a resistance here, support here, and we are pulling back here. But what I like especially about this one is that we have this 50-day moving average coming as well. So as we pull down to here, we're likely going to see this 50-day moving average be used as support along with this big support level here. So I'll be looking to enter around this 81 86 level. Um, so yeah, that's what I like on Uber. Next stock is Dutch Bros. And I would like this more of like a quick little like day trade or like maybe one overnight play. Like I don't even know, like quick trade. But this I like. We broke down into this channel. Um, I don't like this candle for my hypothesis, but um, I am bullish on this because we broke down from this channel, which was super clean. We made a big move down, but there is a little bit of support up here. We haven't exactly tapped into the support, so that's why I think that this will keep falling down. And I'll honestly probably just target this because I don't want to wait for it'll probably move a little sideways before moving lower. But I am bearish on Dutch Bros definitely. But yeah, so that's all the stocks that I'm watching for the 1K to 10K challenge. I might start a Discord, but like I got 30 subscribers, so probably won't have that many people in it. But maybe I'll try and post some more shorts to get some more subscribers, and then maybe we could build a Discord, and I'll put my plays, like I can put my call outs in there. But yeah, so join this journey, 100% free. I'll be calling out all my plays for free. Um, so if you have $1,000 or even 100, or not, probably not 100, but if you have $1,000 and you want to join this journey, 100% free, might as well. Why not? I mean, if you trust me, but hopefully we pass this we get this done, make our 9K in profit, and then I'll take some of those profits, put them into my long-term investing account, and yeah, I will mm, do it again with some more. Maybe I'll go 2K to 20K, something like that. But um, I'm gonna start taking this a little bit more seriously. I'm going to London on Friday I'm going to London School of Economics for a few weeks, and then I'm going to Greece to turn up. So I don't know how much I'll actually be locked in, but up until I leave, I will be locked in. I'll be up every morning like 8:30, um, checking news, doing whatever, maybe going live. I've never gone live, but we're dialed. So you want to make some money, join the journey. Let's go.